So some things have changed, but Louis stayed the same. I got the new 48-inch rack built. This is Louis. How you doing? He can see out of his right eye, can't see out of his left eye, so sits here and looks out the window and wants to be with me all the time. Anyway, some things have changed. I moved the 10-gallon. It's out there in the hallway now with the pea puffers. The 5 gallons that used to be here are now over there. There's the hexagon. There's the... There he is. Bink, bink. Bink, bink. Wake up. I guess he's not being too friendly today. I got little tiny baby precos in here. Ooh, little baby. There's my finger next to it. Tiny, tiny. There's a bunch of them in here. There's 2 more. There's my finger again. There's another tiny little baby. Just for reference. Babies everywhere. Babies, babies, babies. And look, there's Mom. Hey guys. 3 male angels. I made that one. Only angel I ever made here is that one up there. That one. It was born here. A bunch of Acaras were born here. I just got rid of 66. Anyway, back to the progress. Stand is built. Louie's waiting on some attention. It's a mess out here. There's the pea puffers. And the chili raspberry is all colored up nice. Bunch. There's one up there. I don't see the other 2 anywhere. Oh, there's 2 right there actually. I don't see the other one anywhere. Some more blue Acara. Let's go this way. Here's the 75. I get to move now. Or I should say tomorrow. I'll probably end up, actually maybe Friday, because I gotta take fish to the store tomorrow and the next day. It's one of the marbles. These are always fighting over here. I gotta get those guys out. You want out of that tank, huh? Nothing's really changed over here except those got put up there. I need to add more valves. Nothing really. Oh, yeah. Bought a bunch of crap from Aquarium Co-op partner store. That was a nightmare yesterday. Lady had no clue what she was doing, how to take our money. At Shop Market Aquariums in Venice, Florida. That was waited 15 minutes to give her $105 of my money. And I still don't think she rang it up right. And I got no receipt. And I got no 5% off. And I got no other 5% off for being a member. And oh, the first 5% was being, yeah, I'm a member of their thing too. Plus the Aquarium Co-op membership. But anyway, that's a whole nother rant. But that's the progress I got done. I've been slacking, not really. I did a bunch of water changes the last 2 days. Easter and Saturday and Monday. Well, that's the progress. I guess that's all I got to show. Couple guppies.